Hi, I'm Suzuki of Kobayashi-Foods. Today, I will show you how to cook Bonito Broth. Here is what you need. 6 shavings of dried bonito, 1 liter of water, some kitchen towels, a strainer, a pot. At first, put 1 liter of water in the pot. And bring it to the boil. When it boils, reduce the heat. And put 6 shavings in the pot. Boil them for 15 minutes on low heat. At this time, don't boil or mix. If you do that, bitterness and unpleasant taste will come out. After 15 minutes, turn off the heat and wait for 5 to 10 minutes. After 5 to 10 minutes, strain the broth with a strainer covered with some kitchen towels. This broth has very strong taste of dried bonito. Japanese usually use this broth for miso soup. Thank you for watching our channel. See you again.